So I found like a Craigslist cargo box, and the problem was it was too narrow for me to actually fit it on my truck. So I took some quick dimensions. Inside dimensions are roughly 53 inches. Top of the box right here, 62 inches. I took the width of the bed, which was about 70 inches. So I had 70 inches I needed to cover. And the amount of gap I had, right? The gap I had was, cameraman, help me out here. 70 with 53, 70, 53, that means I have roughly 17 inches I need to cover. Well, I did the math with a little bit of an overhang of 1 by 10, which would be nominal dimension. Once it shrinks up would be about 9.5. So that'd be about 18. So with a little bit of overhang, right, going from 70 to about 52, 53, about 18 inches give or take. That actually worked out perfectly to me putting 2 1 by 10s on each side. 1 by 12 really. And once I did that, I come over here. I got the depth of what I need to cut, which I had 27 inches. So I took it to roughly 29 3/4. And that gave me a little bit of an overhang right over here, if you can see, right onto the truck bed. So that way it was not totally resting on the bolts right here and the lag nuts, the lags and the bolts I had right here and here. On the interior, I put 2 lags to secure these to the wooden box. So now all I have to do if I want to take it off, if I'm going off-roading or if I need to camp in the bed of my truck, take it here, unscrew this bolt, get a wrench underneath under the bottom, take both bolts out on each side, so 4 bolts total. I can lift this up and pull it out the back. Here's what I had left over. I only used roughly 6 feet of it, so for the 10 foot of the board, I still had about 3 or 4 feet left, and I've used it for some other stuff, but now I might use this for another project. All in, it was $40 for the box, another $20 for the wood, and then another $5 for hardware and fixtures.